Hi, there are two ways how you can scan QR codes on the Samsung Galaxy S25. The first one is with the help of camera. So let's open it. And now in photo mode, we need to tap four dots icon. From here, choose settings and make sure that scan QR codes is enabled so the switcher is blue. If you can see it that way, then simply tap it and it would be turned on. And now all we have to do is we need to take our QR code and point the camera at it. Also, you can use zoom if camera does not detect your QR code, but in my case everything is just fine. The QR code is within the frame and this link appears on the bottom of the camera. But now it disappeared, so let's just try this out again because I hold it for too long. For that, we need to simply reset camera and tap this link. And this is the content of the QR code. We can also tap this arrow on the link and choose to open in Samsung Notes, Search Web, Copy, Share, and so on. Let's tap Search Web. And this is basically content of your QR code. Another way is with the help of quick settings. So let's swipe down from the upper right corner. From here, we would see this list of our features. Swipe the line down as well. And in here, find Scan QR Code. If you cannot find it, then tap this pen icon. Choose to edit the tab and find it in Available Buttons list. So what we are going to do is we need to tap this icon. If you got bad lighting conditions, then you can enable flashlight as well. You can scan QR code right from the gallery, or you can point the camera at the QR code and it would be immediately scanned automatically. You can also open in Samsung Notes, Search Web, Copy, Share QR code, and so on. So yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.